Okay, and this little video is going to be use bar models, which are quite powerful. We'll see them throughout the course. I'm just going to do some really basic stuff with this right now. And basically what you're going to do is you kind of think of this as a bar, and let me think of this as, say, 18 plus 24. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two pictures. I'll just make this one a little bit bigger. They don't have to be completely to scale. Right. 18, and up here is 24. Right. Okay. And then now the result is the sum, which you can think about as the total here, and I'm just going to leave a question mark there. Okay, now unlike a lot of the other models that we've talked about, looking at the picture, I just can't get the answer, right? If you wanted to, you could grid these up into 18 little pieces and 24 little pieces, but that's not really the point of this. You sort of use these, as we'll see later, to kind of understand sort of the concepts of addition and subtraction, and less details on what the actual numbers are. We'll use either, say, the column algorithm or some other method to actually compute what that is, right? So now another way to do this is I could have also, let's choose a different color, just done this, and I'm going to say this is 24. Sorry, let me make that bigger. And this is 18, right? Okay. And then this would be this. So this would sort of be kind of a measurement interpretation, is that if I have something of length 24 and I stick it at the end of something of length 18, then the total length is that. Okay. So one thing to note, the only other thing I'm going to really talk about this is if I have subtraction instead, and let's say I did 24 minus 18, well, we still have the same two length bars. So let's say that one's 24 and that's 18. So 24, and there's 18, right? Then what we want is the difference, right? Which may be like that, right? And the big interpretation of this is like a comparison interpretation, and not only is it measurement, like, you know, Sally's stick is 24 inches and Fred's stick is 18. How much longer is Sally's stick? But these can be abstracted more in terms of Jose has 24 marbles, and Ashley has 18 marbles. Or no, let's say Jose gives away 18 of his marbles. How many does he have left? And that would represent that. So this would represent the number of marbles. Again, a little bit more abstract, but it's a nice way, and we'll see this a lot when we get to some word problems later in the course as well. Okay, so that's a bar model. We'll see this with some other things later again.